The place where we are born and brought up, where we play happily and grow up, is a part of our country. We have a special relationship with our surroundings. We develop love and affection for those who live around us. They become our neighbors, companions, and friends. We are proud of the place where we live, be it a village, town, or city. Many such villages, towns, and cities, every country has a definite border. People living within those borders are the inhabitants of that country. We live within the boundaries of India. We develop a sense of pride for our nation. It gives stability to a nation and promotes development. We are able to successfully cope with any difficulties that our nation has to face. Let us start with the national festivals. We celebrate our national festivals to preserve and promote our spirit of unity. Independence Day and Republic Day are our national festivals. We should celebrate our national festivals with joy and happiness. It develops amongst us a sense of unity. Our country became free on 15th August 1947. Every year, we celebrate this day as Independence Day. On this day, flag hoisting ceremonies are held throughout the country. Citizens should attend the flag hoisting ceremony. On this occasion, we pay tributes to those great men and women who sacrificed their lives for our country's freedom. We celebrate 26th January as Republic Day every year. It was on 26th January 1950 that we began to use our democratic system for our administration. Our Republic Day has a special significance. The Grand Republic Day Parade is a special feature of our Republic Day celebrations. The three armed forces, that is, the Army, Navy, and Air Force, participate in the parade. Students from various states and the National Cadet Corps also take part in the parade. We invite the heads of state from other countries for this occasion. Children who have won the Bravery Awards get an opportunity to take part in the parade. All those who are a part of the parade salute the President of India. Many cultural programs are organized on Republic Day. Republic Day celebrations are organized. The national flag, the national anthem, and the national emblem are our national symbols. These symbols inspire in our mind a love for our nation. They too strengthen our spirit of unity. The spirit of unity is essential for our country's progress. The national flag. Our national flag has 3 colors. Each color gives a definite message. The saffron color at the top stands for sacrifice and bravery. The white color in the middle gives the message of peace. The green color below stands for prosperity. At the center of the flag, on the white band in the middle, there is the Ashoka Chakra in blue. The wheel is a symbol of movement. It tells us to strive for the progress of our country. The national anthem. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. This song was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. It is our duty to respect our national anthem. We must always take care to see that no disrespect is shown to the national anthem. We must stand at attention when the national anthem is being played. The national emblem. Each country has its own national or state emblem. We find the national emblem on coins, currency notes, and the government letters, etc. Our national emblem is designed after the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. Inscribed at the base of the national emblem are the words Satyameva Jayate. Let us study some additional information about our national emblem and national flag. To begin with, we will study about the Sarnath capital. Our national emblem is designed after the lion capital pillar head of the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. On the Ashoka pillar, there are 4 lions standing back to back. We are able to see only 3 of them at a time when we view the capital from one side. Below each lion there is a wheel. However, only one wheel is fully visible in a side view. On one side of the wheel there is a horse, and on the other side is a bull. Like the national flag, even the national emblem has a meaningful message for us. The lions symbolize strength and power. The wheel represents movement. The horse shows the importance of vigor and speed. The bull conveys the importance of hard work and determination. Next is the correct display of our national flag. When the national flag is displayed, the saffron band shall be uppermost. The national flag must be clean. The flag should never be soiled or torn. The national flag should always be flown at the full mast position. During national mourning, the flag is lowered to the half-mast position. The flag must be flown from sunrise to sunset. The flag should be lowered at sunset with utmost respect. While hoisting and lowering the flag, we should stand at attention.